let's check out the market event risk for the week. Hey, very good evening to you traders, this is Mark, welcome to your daily trading video. Well, after I did the video on Friday, we had a monster rally in the DAX. Actually, I don't know why it's not updating on there. Here you go, 15 minute, you can see massive V-shaped reversal, uploads, pretty much kissing the high of Thursday, after a bit of unsubstantiated news that Deutsche Bank, the fine was going to be less, or the US was going to reduce the fine, or something along those lines. To be honest, I didn't really dig into it. I'm just looking at the move and relating it to how the market's reacting and thinking, okay, well, actually, positive response from Deutsche Bank, positive response from DAX. That correlation is obviously still working. So, from a trader's perspective, definitely going to take that through to next week. DAX was closed today, German market was closed, bank holiday, as was a few lesser volume or lower volume Asian markets. So the Dow really did absolutely nothing, sitting in like a 40-point range. I didn't get involved at all. 230 open look. I mean, the high and low of the day was put in the first 15 minutes, and then that was it for the day. We've just literally coiled in a spring, and if I put a view app in there, you'll see, in fact, because that's a 24-hour view app, it's being skewed. We're probably right on it in terms of SPY. Let's have a little look on the ETF. Yeah, look, it's right in the center of it. Nothing going on. Completely neutral, balanced supply demand market. So not interested in that at all. I guess the big move of the day was the pound cable. Obviously, after Theresa May said she was going to push Brexit forward or get it through as quick as possible, that has taken us almost post-Brexit lows. I've not been trading this, but a few currency traders out there, I think it's probably been quite a good day for you. Some decent range there, pull back, push lower. But it's not one for me at the moment. I'm still waiting to see if we break out of that lower range. Anyway, let's move on and have a look at where the other risk may be coming from this week. So first of all, obviously, Deutsche Bank. Always keeping an eye on the German Deutsche Bank in the morning. German Deutsche Bank quote in the morning, and then look in the ADR in the afternoon after the German market closes. So we've got a broad thing, and then looking towards the DAX as a trading vehicle for any Deutsche Bank news, and then the Dow for any in the afternoon for any Deutsche Bank news that comes out potentially. I mean, you can still trade the DAX, which is probably going to be preferred, but it depends where you are in your levels intraday. If you're right at lows and you get some weak news coming out, maybe you can trade to break out with a little bit more confidence. So that's definitely going to be my number one strategy for the rest of the week. Let's have a little quick look on the calendar, see what we've got on the card. There's quite a few things coming out. We've got some stuff coming out of the UK. I'm not sure. It's been reasonably strong at the moment. I'm not sure whether we're going to get the PMI is going to start moving things much. But you never know. It's worth putting on the calendar. It's worth watching, especially with cable right at these key levels now. What else we've got? We've got a few Fed speakers. We have, where's the big data? Okay, there we go. ECB monetary policy meeting account on Thursday. We have a usual thing, jobless claims on Thursday, and we've got let's go back to Wednesday. We have the ADP and the, I'm trying to look for it. Oh yeah, there we go. The crude oil inventories. Crude oil's been in play a bit, so that may affect what's going on. Although I have to say I've not been in tune with that as much. I think there's enough going on from me with the indices. But the big one, obviously, on Friday, if I can find it, is we've got a lot of stuff coming out of the UK, manufacturing, production, industrial production, trade balance, a lot of stuff at 9:30. That's going to be well worth tuning into on your Friday morning for your FTSE. But the big one is the non-farm payrolls. That's the one everyone's going to be looking at on Friday, 1:30. That's going to affect, obviously, well, you know what? I guess really everyone kind of knows when they're going to hike now. Are they going to hike before the election? Probably unlikely. So we're looking at a December hike. But anyway, this is going to give us an indication one way or the other. If it swings way out of a consensus, then the Dow is going to move. So for trading opportunities, forgetting about any future trends, for intraday trading opportunities, that will probably present something for us. So loads of stuff to be keeping an eye on. There's no need to be getting too bogged down in things, but obviously Deutsche Bank is the main one, and then some data coming out later in the week, and then keeping an eye on all the interrelated markets. So hope you had a great trading day today, guys. I will be back with another video tomorrow. If I do some trades, we'll cover some reviews. If not, we'll run through some other stuff. Anyway, take care. Bye bye.